Is your Maytag top-load washer's drain pump running nonstop? This common issue usually stems from a faulty pressure switch, a clogged air dome tube, or even a software glitch. We'll pinpoint the cause and guide you through the fix. Common models affected are from the mid-2010s to early 2020s, such as the MVWX series. The pressure switch is a key component in your Maytag washer's drainage system. It monitors the water level by sensing air pressure changes through a tube connected to the washer tub. Here's a simplified view of how the system works. The air dome tube connects the washer tub to the pressure switch. As water levels change, air pressure in the tube signals the switch to activate or deactivate the drain pump. The pressure switch can fail in two main ways. First, the air dome tube can become clogged with debris, blocking airflow and preventing accurate pressure readings. Second, the sensor itself may malfunction, sending incorrect signals. When this happens, the pressure switch incorrectly signals that the washer is still full of water. As a result, it never tells the drain pump to shut off, causing it to run continuously. To locate and inspect the pressure switch, first unplug the washer for safety. The switch is typically found behind the control panel on the top of the washer. Check the air dome tube for any clogs or kinks, and use a multimeter to test the switch's electrical continuity. In summary, the pressure switch is a critical component for proper washer drainage. When it fails due to a clogged tube or sensor malfunction, the washer won't drain properly. Always inspect the switch and air dome tube for issues before considering replacement. Before inspecting hardware, try a drain reset to clear software glitches. The washer's draining system includes a pump, pressure switch, and air dome tube that work together to expel water. Unplug your washer for 5 to 10 minutes to reset its error memory. This clears erroneous sensor readings that might keep the pump running continuously. After plugging back in, run a short test cycle to verify the reset worked. Firmware updates from late 2025 address these issues. Use the Whirlpool app to ensure your washer is updated. The air dome tube is a small hose connected to the pressure switch in your washer's draining system. Here's how to inspect and clean it, step by step. First, locate the air dome tube connected to the pressure switch. Disconnect it carefully from the pressure switch. Check for kinks or clogs by inspecting the tube thoroughly. Clean it thoroughly using a small brush or wire to remove any blockages. A simple blockage in the air dome tube can cause major drainage problems. For visual guidance, refer to YouTube tutorials by appliance repair specialists. Newer Maytag models feature smartphone app integration for advanced diagnostics. These apps display specific error codes that help identify issues like drain pump problems. Common error codes include SEED or F8E1, which typically indicate drain pump malfunctions. The app provides clear error messages to guide troubleshooting. To use the app, connect your smartphone to the washer via Wi-Fi through the Whirlpool app. This allows remote monitoring and diagnostics. The app works by monitoring the washer's drain system components, the drain pump, pressure switch, and air dome tube. These work together to ensure proper drainage. Preventative maintenance is key to keeping your Maytag washer running smoothly and avoiding pump failures. By following a few simple routines, you can prevent most issues before they start. First, let's understand the key components we're maintaining. The drain pump, pressure switch, and air dome tube work together to manage water levels and drainage. Clean your washer's filters quarterly to remove lint, coins, and debris that can cause clogs and force the pump to work harder. This simple step prevents blockages in the drainage system. Use only low-sudsing, high-efficiency detergents designed for HE washers. Regular detergents create excess foam that can overload the pump and pressure sensors. Schedule annual inspections by a qualified technician to check for wear, calibrate sensors, and catch potential issues early. Watch for signs like unusual noises, longer cycle times, or error codes that might indicate developing problems. Experts estimate that 70% of pump failures can be prevented with these simple maintenance steps, saving you time and repair costs. Future Maytag models will incorporate AI diagnostics to predict pump failures through machine learning analysis of vibration patterns, preventing issues before they escalate. Consumer demand is rising for modular, user-serviceable designs that simplify repairs. These allow homeowners to replace components easily, with DIY repair kit sales increasing 25% in 2025. Eco-friendly washers with biodegradable pump materials and self-healing sensors are also on the horizon for 2027-2030, along with advancements that reduce environmental impact. These innovations will help minimize downtime and repair costs for Maytag washer owners.